We're Jennie and James. We started our van life journey living in our camper van, and now we build them full time.
Subscribe and follow along on our first build series, where we'll show you all the tips and tricks that we've learned along the way.
Hey everyone, we're Jennie and James, and we've just installed our inverter setup in our van. An inverter charger, which means you can plug into shore power to charge your batteries if it's like cloudy or snowy or whatever. So we always like having the inverter charger. And normally we just attach the end of an extension cord onto the inverter, and then from there we can plug in with an extension cord to a house. But when you do that, you always have to have your doors open in our past vans. So this time we found a solution to have our doors shut, and it's just a little bit cleaner as well. So we found this product called NOCO, and it's really simple. It's basically just an extension cord, but it has a flush mounting plate for the outside of the van, and it's also waterproof. So I'm gonna install that in the van, and then I'm gonna install a longer extension cord that actually goes to our inverter. It's a 1500 watt pure sine inverter. Over here, this is where I'm gonna connect the extension cord. I've done this part, but the first thing is just removing the 7 screws in this faceplate, so you have access to the back. I saw somebody do this online where they mounted this right here in the black plastic, and it looks super clean and kind of just nicely conspicuous. So I'm gonna do that, drill through here, but first I gotta take off apparently the light first and then the black plastic. But I need your help.
There it goes.
So shiny.
Nice and brand new. Okay, we can't step on that.
A change of plans. So I was going to drill a 2-inch hole here, and then potentially drill another hole to go to the inside of the van. But now that I've taken off the light, I realized that there's a really nice hole already here. So I'm actually just going to drill a hole here for my flat piece. And then I'm gonna feed this part through. And then the rest of the extension cord is gonna go in. And then to my inverter. Ready. I just want to double check that in here it's all clear, good to go. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see that there's lots of space behind there, lots of clearance, so I'm ready to start drilling. So we're right in the middle of putting in our sunroof. James is just finishing up the caulking, and just while I was killing some time, I just finished up our little faceplate for the AC power, and it looks super nice. I'm really happy with it. So it's just like that. I'm gonna get this taped up really good, and just so that it doesn't get any water into it. I'll put the light back on, screw all my little bits in, and then that's gonna go back to our inverter for our shore power so that we can charge our batteries off of the charger portion of the inverter. So when I went to put the light back in, I realized that the hole for the, what's it called? For the electrical bit that fits in, it's like kind of a square. It actually fits exactly how the hole is. So I have to make my own hole. So I've just got a hole saw. I'm just gonna make my own.
Pizza's here.
Here. And then I'll sand it and spray paint it, and then James is gonna vacuum at the same time to pick up all the metal bits so that we don't get any rusting. So thanks for watching. I hope you learned enough from my video, and good luck with your own projects. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments. Have a good one. Bye. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We lovers.
Just for the two of us? Yes, just for the two of us.